This freedom did not come easy, and let us use this freedom to improve ourselves, to become better citizens, and to make our nation proud. And I want to end with Swami Vivekananda's quotation, "Arise, awake, and stop not till our goal is achieved." Arise, awake, and stop not till our goal is achieved, to be the best citizen of the country and best country in the world. Thank you. Wish you once.
Director sir, principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today, as we gather here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, I feel extremely proud and honored to stand before you all and speak a few words about this special occasion. On this day, 1947, India got freedom from British rule after a long and hard struggle. It was not an easy journey. Many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more sacrificed their lives for our country. Because of their courage and sacrifice, we are living in a free and independent India today. Friends, independence doesn't only mean freedom from foreign rule. It means freedom to think, grow, express and to dream. It reminds us the duties as responsible citizens. As students, we may be young, but we have a big role to play. We must respect our teachers and parents, speak truth, and work hard to make our India proud. This year, 2025, let us take a pledge to do something good for our nation by keeping our surroundings clean, helping someone in need, and being kind and honest. Every small action counts. Let us remember and salute the soldiers who protect the boundaries of the nation by staying away from the families. Today, Tiranga, our national flag, is hoisted. Let it remind the unity in diversity and strength of our great culture and value. Once again, I would like to wish you a happy Independence Day to you all.
याद लाने का भी संदेश देती है। हम यह स्वतंत्रता दिवस हम हमारे देश के विकास के लिए काम करना चाहिए। हमारे भारत देश को हर क्षेत्र में एक भारत देश और एक अच्छा देश के दिखाना चाहिए। भारत देश को हम कभी गर्व देना चाहिए। यह स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को हम कभी भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए और उनका कुर्बानियों को भी कभी भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए। अंत में हमारे देश के लिए हम काम करना चाहिए, जो चाहे वो शिक्षा से हो या पर्यावरण के रक्षा से हो या समाज में भाईचारे के मूल्य से हो। अंत में मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि देश हमारा है तो जिम्मेदारी भी हमारा रहनी चाहिए। हमारा भारत देश के विकास के लिए हर क्षेत्र में हम काम करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
మంది ఉన్నారు. గాంధీజీ అహింస పద్ధతిలో శాంతియుక్తంగా స్వాతంత్రాన్ని తీసుకువచ్చారు. వీరులందరూ వారి ప్రాణాలను ఫలంగా పెట్టి స్వాతంత్రాన్ని తీసుకువచ్చారు. అందుకే వారి త్యాగాన్ని వృధా కానివ్వకుండా ఒక భారతదేశ ఉన్నతికి మన వంతు కృషి చేయాలి. స్వాతంత్ర సమర యోధుల త్యాగాన్ని ఒక భారతీయునిగా ఎప్పటికీ మర్చిపోరాదు. ఇంతటితో నా చిన్నని ఉపన్యాసాన్ని ముగిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు. జై